In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the mobile view on your Wix website. Ensuring that your website looks great on mobile devices is crucial, given how many people now browse the internet using their phones. If your site's mobile view isn't up to par, you risk missing out on potential visitors or customers who might have trouble navigating your site. So let's dive in and get your Wix site looking fabulous on mobile. To start, you'll want to log into your Wix account and open up your website editor. Once you're in the editor, look to the top of your screen where you'll see a series of icons. These are tools that help you navigate and customize your site. What we're focused on today is the mobile icon, which should look like a small smartphone outline. Go ahead and click on this icon. Now that you've clicked the mobile icon, you'll be switched over to a view that shows how your website appears on a mobile device. This is extremely helpful because it lets you see exactly what a visitor would when accessing your site from their phone. Take a few moments to peruse through your homepage and other important pages to identify any issues or areas that don't look quite right. Pay attention to whether text overlaps, images are misaligned, or buttons are difficult to tap. If you do spot any problems, it's time to adjust. Wix's editor offers a range of tools that allow you to customize your mobile view without affecting the desktop version. For instance, you can resize text boxes, images, and buttons to better fit the smaller screen format. All you have to do is click on the item you'd like to adjust and drag it to a more suitable size or position. Don't forget to check every page that's critical for your site's functionality. Sometimes it's easy to overlook pages like the Contact or About page, but these are equally important in ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience. Additionally, Wix offers the option to hide certain elements from the mobile view. This can be handy if there are features or graphics that don't translate well to a small screen. Simply select the element you want to hide, click on More Options, and choose Hide from Mobile. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, remember to preview the changes to see if additional tweaks are required. Double-check all links and forms to ensure they work efficiently on a mobile interface. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you can go ahead and save your changes. And there you have it. Your Wix website should now be optimized for mobile viewing, ensuring it is both aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly for all site visitors. By taking these few steps, you've improved the usability and attractiveness of your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on site management and design.